In this lesson, we're going to discuss evolving business services. Evolving business services in the context of cloud computing refer to the use of new and emerging technologies and services to transform and improve the way businesses operate. These technologies and services include autonomous environments, the Internet of Things, blockchain, cloud collaboration, and desktop management, which is also known as desktop as a service or virtual desktop infrastructure. First, let's go over autonomous environments. Autonomous environments refer to the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to automate and optimize business processes. These technologies can be used to automate tasks such as data analysis, decision-making, and resource allocation, which can assist businesses in operating with greater efficiency and effectiveness. One popular autonomous service is the Oracle Autonomous Database, which is a fully managed cloud service that utilizes machine learning and artificial intelligence to automatically manage and optimize database tasks such as security, backup and recovery, performance tuning, and upgrades. The service is designed to remove the need for manual administration and maintenance, allowing organizations to focus on their core business. The service comes in two flavors: autonomous data warehouse and autonomous transaction processing. Autonomous data warehouse is optimized for data warehousing and business intelligence workloads, while autonomous transaction processing is optimized for transactional workloads such as online transaction processing or OLTP and a host of other mixed workloads. This service supports multiple data types, including JSON and spatial data. It comes with built-in security features, such as transparent data encryption, network isolation, and data masking. The Oracle Autonomous Database is designed to provide high availability and scalability to ensure that organizations can always access their data when needed. Second, we have the Internet of Things, or commonly known as IoT. The Internet of Things refers to the growing network of connected devices that are embedded with sensors and software. These devices can be used to collect, analyze, and share data, which can be used to improve business operations, optimize resource usage, and create new revenue streams. Internet of Things technology is increasingly being used in agriculture to improve crop yields, reduce costs, and optimize the use of resources. Internet of Things sensors can be used to monitor the moisture in the soil, temperature, and light levels, as well as to track the location and movement of animals. This data can be collected and processed in the cloud, allowing farmers to make data-driven decisions about when to water crops, apply fertilizers, and harvest crops. Home security cameras are another example of Internet of Things devices that are processing information in the cloud environments. Smart cameras can detect motion, identify faces, and even recognize pets, alerting homeowners to potential security breaches. This information can be accessed remotely and analyzed in the cloud, allowing homeowners to keep an eye on their property even when they are away. For example, I have a Ring doorbell and security camera system at my home. And even if I'm across the country or across the world, I can receive notifications if someone's at my door. I can see my front porch, my backyard, and my garage using this web-based camera as part of my home security system. Other Internet of Things devices include things like thermostats and water leak sensors that are used in homes and buildings to monitor and control the environment. These devices can collect data on temperature, humidity, and water leaks and send this data to the cloud. This information can be used to optimize heating and cooling systems, detect and prevent water damage, and even monitor your building's energy consumption. And third, we have one of my favorites, which is blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions in a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof manner. It consists of a chain of blocks where each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. This structure ensures that once data has been recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted without being noticed. Blockchain technology is increasingly being integrated into cloud computing environments to provide a wide range of benefits. One of the main benefits of blockchain in the cloud is its ability to enhance security. Blockchain can be used to secure data in the cloud, making it more difficult for hackers to access or tamper with sensitive information. Another benefit of blockchain in the cloud is its ability to increase transparency and trust. Blockchain allows for a tamper-proof and immutable record of transactions, which can be then used to increase the trust and transparency in a cloud-based system. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses that need to ensure compliance with regulations or for businesses that rely on trust between multiple parties. Yet another benefit of the blockchain in the cloud is its ability to enable new business models and use cases. Blockchain can be used to create decentralized applications that can run on top of cloud infrastructure. These applications can be used to create new business models and use cases, such as decentralized marketplaces and peer-to-peer networks. In fact, If you have ever heard of Web3, that is the blockchain at work. Web3 refers to the next iteration of the internet, also known as decentralized web, which aims to create a more open and equitable online ecosystem. In contrast to the centralized architecture of the current web, which we refer to as Web 2, Web3 leverages blockchain technology to enable decentralized peer-to-peer transactions and interactions without the need for intermediaries. Web3 aims to address many of the current challenges of the internet, such as privacy concerns, lack of control over personal data, and the centralization of power among a few large organizations. By creating a decentralized and more open internet, Web3 aims to promote greater trust and fairness for all users. Fourth, we have cloud collaboration. Cloud collaboration refers to the use of cloud-based technologies and services to enable remote and distributed teams to work together more effectively. These technologies include cloud-based communications and collaboration tools such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meets, and Slack, as well as cloud-based project management and workflow tools such as Asana, ClickUp, and Trello. We have desktop management. Desktop management is also called desktop as a service, sometimes DaaS or virtual desktop infrastructure, known as VDI. It refers to the use of cloud-based technologies and services to manage and deliver desktop environments to users. This can include virtual desktop infrastructure solutions, which allow users to access their desktop environment from any device, and remote desktop services, which can allow users to access their desktop environment remotely. For businesses, evolving their services using cloud computing can provide benefits such as cost savings, scalability, and flexibility. To make the most of these perks, companies might have to shell out for the right cloud setup and tools to deliver and run these services. Additionally, businesses will need to adapt their processes, workflows, and strategies to fully utilize these technologies and services. So remember, evolving business services refers to the use of new and emerging technologies to transform and improve the way businesses operate. These technologies and services include autonomous environments, Internet of Things, blockchain, cloud collaboration, and desktop management, which includes desktop as a service, virtual desktop infrastructure, and the use of remote desktop protocols.